This price action today is horrible. 32%. Let's go put 275 in our pockets, man. We're in a short on MNQ. Being patient is part of the game of trading. You got to make sure you wait for the A1 setups in your favor to actually capitalize on the market. I literally do not watch any lower time frames. This is what we're dealing with today. We already showed you guys pictures yesterday. Good morning to my fellow traders and welcome back to another day in the life video vlog type session. Time is currently 6:12 a.m. 15 minutes before the market even opens. And last night we caught some trades on the futures account. So we're up $49 off a single trade. And I'll show you guys that here in a second. And we're just one subscriber away from being to 600 on our YouTube. So somebody please subscribe. And we have 51 members in our Discord. So if you guys want to be in the Discord, the free server, just go on my website, click the link in my bio and join free server. Now let's get into the trade setup that I took last night and let's see what we're going to look at for today as well. So this was the trade setup I took last night, which put me up $49 on the day for a single trade. And I don't know why the camera doesn't want to focus when I zoom in a little bit close like that. So I got to keep it a little bit further, but you can see we broke this nice downtrend to the downside after we're uptrending for such a long time. This was the reversal candle right here, the nice doji. The moment we got a break below this support, the reason why I even entered, I'll give you guys a breakdown, is because if you guys see the reactions on these candles right here for support, next time we came down here for support, the candle, this 15-minute candle right here, closed below it. So that's why I decided to enter on the next candle, which has a long wick to the upside, get a nice entry, price target these recent reaction areas right here, or that recent low candle right there. And that's how we made $49 off a single trade. So now we're up 423 on this futures trading account. I don't know why I gotta like step back so it can focus, but we're at 423 now on this trading account. So let's see what we can get into this week or today. I'll update the Discord, tell them what's going on for today, and let's catch some good trades today. Most of my trade plans as far as where I plan on taking calls or puts at on SPY, and right now it's breaking those short levels right now, which is 580.44. And market as a whole though is just tanking. Everything is just tanking, probably because AMD had the worst earnings report. Out of nowhere, SMCI literally just shit the bed too as well. That thing is going crazy drops. MNQ is going crazy drops. A lot of stuff is just dropping crazy. So I'm gonna see how this 15-minute candle holds and maybe take some shorts on SPY here soon as well. Currently not seeing anything in the market for me to take anything. I'm just waiting for call levels to get broken to the upside so I can take some calls or reject here and we start going down to our short position. So, but that's totally fine with me. You know why? Because I'm about to put $275 in my pocket for 4 hours worth of work. More money than you'll make at your 9 to 5. Even if you're making $30 an hour and working 8-hour shift, that's only $240. So I'm gonna put $275 in my pocket, working for 4 hours doing a car cleaning. I'm trying to tell you guys need to find something, find a side hustle, whatever it is. Doesn't matter if you do TikTok affiliate links, which I might even get into myself, car cleaning on the side, editing videos for people and making money, and you'll edit up their video, do a video for them and edit it up for, I don't know, $300. Whatever the case is, you need to find something that makes you some extra cash, because most people will tell you, I'm not in it for the money, I don't care about the money, I'm not materialistic, but they are wrong. They're always bouncing from job to job, trying to get that extra $2 raise or $2 difference and saying this company has more benefits because they want more money, or end up buying a whole bunch of stuff that they have around their house that they don't even use, as far as action figures and a whole bunch of random toys that they don't even need. So money is an issue for everybody. Whether you want a lot or a little, it doesn't necessarily matter, but it's just the fact that we need money, guys. So you have to find a side hustle that actually generates you some extra cash. I have a premium Discord, I have a car cleaning service, I do option trading, futures trading. I'm trying to get funded so I can start taking some payouts as well, and I might even do some TikTok affiliate links eventually, because I need some extra cash, guys. We always need some extra cash, I don't care what it is. So with that being said, with this car cleaning that I'm about to do, I'm about to make $275 within 4 hours worth of work. It is time consuming, it does take up my time, it is labor, but it's $275, more than what most of my friends are going to spend an 8-hour day on. And guess what? I get to spend a couple hours doing what I love, talking to my Discord, my community, trading, doing the most funnest and hardest job in the world, which is trading, trying to improve my skills. And while I'm working, I get to put in my headphones. Nobody gets to tell me what to do. And I can just get to listen to a podcast all day. Don't have to listen to no higher ups telling me what to do. I'm just living life, doing my own thing. Even if I'm not right now making over 10, 20, 30K a month, doesn't matter to me. I'm doing what I love every single day and have a lot of free time. I could go get a haircut if I needed. I can go grocery shopping real quick. I can go to the mall and shop for some Christmas clothes. I have the freedom. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Find something on the side that can give you and generate you enough cash so that you can be a little bit more free and either go part-time in your job or quit your job fully. Do not rely on your job all the way, because you're just wasting so much time and energy and effort working 40+ hours a week for somebody else's dream. Create your own dream, find your own job and create your own job. This is basically, I created my own job basically, if you really want to say that, but I enjoy what I do. Most people do not enjoy what they do. They don't love what they do. I literally love what I do. I love waking up early in the morning and being able to trade, talk to my community, see how everybody's doing, and people are talking right now as we speak. It's very fun. It's very enjoyable. So I know I just rambled on a lot right here, but let's move on about our day. Time is currently 7:27, an hour into the market. I haven't taken a trade yet. I'll show you guys why as well, but I don't even mind. We're gonna go clean the car here soon in a couple hours and continue on about our life. Them boys talking in chat, but also look at this. This is what I mean. Like, there's nothing going on. I have a call level here waiting to get broken, but also around the other stocks, it's still in a downtrend. So it's still in a downtrend. I don't want to take calls while we're still in the downtrend. I gotta wait and make sure there's an actual trade set up in my favor. I gotta wait for us to get above pre-market high. If we can get above pre-market high on some specific stocks, and maybe I might be a little bit more bullish. But so far, there's literally nothing for me to actually confidently take. So this price action today is horrible. There's probably gonna be no trades today. Literally, I was waiting for calls to get above this specific level. As you guys can see, I have a call level at 583.26. It's struggling to get over that, and that was what I was waiting for. And here, I'll show you guys. I literally took no trades today. This is my account right here. No trades today, guys. Literally nothing going on. I got that privacy screen. Look at that. Ooh. But guys, literally no trades today. No cap. Took nothing. So still waiting on something to come, but I don't think anything's gonna happen. Market's kind of doing some weird action so far. SPX and SPY are moving together, which is good. But I'm waiting for SPY to get above 583.26 and it's struggling. So I've been sitting here for over 2 hours, almost 3 now, 2 hours and a half. Time is currently 9:02 a.m. So I do gotta head out of here and go over there by 10 a.m. at least. I gotta go to Costco first, but $42 on my futures account, guys. I have yet to take a single trade, just waiting for this general area up here to get hit. That's what I'm waiting for. As soon as we get above this on the 15-minute time frame, I'm gonna take calls. But so far, ain't shit going on, man. I literally do not watch any lower time frames. Of course, I do my technical analysis on the higher time frame. Of course, I do my technical analysis on the hourly, the 30 minutes, the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly. But when I do enter trades now, it's only on the 15 minutes. It's been helping me so much to not get faked out. Many times, 5 minutes will drop below, and in the next 10, 15, or the next 10 minutes will pump up, which creates a 15-minute hammer. So very thankful and very technical analysis, very strategic to wait specifically for the 15-minute time frame. That's what I'm doing now, guys. So we are just gonna head up out of here since the time is currently 9:05, and I do have to go pick up those rags. But guys, these prime drinks are so I've been drinking them for a couple days, or at least been drinking the same one for a couple days, the past 2 that I had, and they're all right. The ice pop tastes like literally a Capri Sun, but on steroids. And then the other one that I had, I forgot exactly what it was called. But that one was pretty good. Oh, strawberry watermelon. That one's pretty good. Anyways, guys, let's go on about our day. Let's go pick up those freaking rags and let's go put $275 in our pockets, man. Being patient is part of the game of trading. You got to make sure you wait for the A1 setups in your favor to actually capitalize on the market. There was literally no trade setups in my favor to take. And of course, guys, I wanted to show you guys me taking a trade, me entering a trade, and showing you guys the deal breakdown and the technical analysis behind it. But I'm trying to tell y'all, there's literally nothing going on for me personally on my end to take. Now I'm sure there's other traders that probably capitalized already and made some money early in the morning or even right now, but there's just nothing in my favor going on. The only thing I'm looking is for SPY calls above a specific level, and if it does hit that level, I have an alert set, and so if it gets above that level, I will take calls, and I'll show you guys that level right here right now. I'm gonna take SPY calls above 583.26. that's my call level. As you guys can see, we rejected it so far, and if you go in the past, I got that level just off of the resistance, the very short term simple resistance in the most recent price action. So anything above that level, I'm taking calls. And I got my EMAs on. Hopefully it respects that EMA, and if it can respect that EMA for a nice uptrend, then maybe we'll get calls here soon. So I do have my alert set. I just have it taken off so it doesn't cloud up my screen. But yeah, guys, so that's what we're watching. That's the only trade plan that I have to take for today. Literally no positions today, guys. I'm trying to tell y'all, literally no positions. If I go to my order book, I didn't fill anything in, guys. Literally nothing. And yes, it's the blue one. I'm obviously watching MNQ for calls too as well, just waiting, but I don't think that's gonna happen today either. Or that I pay a premium for is calling out Riot earning report call for $13 a contract. So I might just buy like 2 of them today and just play this, since I have literally no other positions to play. I'm gonna play this guy's earning report. And since the market's gonna be closed by the time you guys even see this vlog, you guys won't be able to get in either. But I pay for this Discord and they're calling out earning report on Riot. I'm gonna load up 3. So I just bought 3 contracts and we're in some Riot calls. So we're gonna try this out. Earning report play. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. I'll update you guys tomorrow, since I most likely won't take any other trades. And if I do, I'll let you guys know that as well, of course. Things right here, man. You get hell of them for only $19. You get 36 in a pack. Well worth it. So this is what we're dealing with today. We already showed you guys pictures yesterday. Wow. Nah, that shit's crazy bad. So we're gonna spend our time doing this one. It's not gonna be that bad for me, but let's get to it, man. I hope so is that it doesn't rain. It looks like a blanket over here, like some cotton. But please do not rain. Please do not rain today. Timer starts now. 10:31 a.m. Let's see how long it takes. Currently 12:32 and we're finished, guys. I just gotta put the mats back in, but we're all clean. Everything gone. Dog hair gone. Contracts closed at the end of the day. 32% and only bought 3 of them. So I'm up only $13. But when you look at Riot, that shit dropped, bro. It closed at 10:48. It's currently at 10:20. So shit gotta do a miracle tomorrow for me to be in profits. So while we're editing up videos, we're in a short on MNQ, shooting for a nice price target, decent stop loss. So we'll see how this one plays out. So that trade I just took while I was editing videos ended up putting me at a $19 loss on that single trade. It literally saw $50 right here at this low of this wick. Then it just instantly rocketed up for a 15-minute candle close above. So no more short ideas on this one. Time is currently 5:45 p.m. We're just gonna wrap it up here now, guys, and show you guys how we're looking like on the futures market and how we're doing on the option market as well, because we didn't take no trades on the option market other than somebody else's call out that I showed you guys earlier, which is Riot, and it ended up closing the day 32%. But only unfortunate thing is the fact that for the earnings report, it ended up tanking. So we're most likely going to be a loss on this one. As you guys can see, that thing just ended up tanking after market open or after market close from 1048 to 980. So it's a dollar drop, less than a dollar drop, but it's still going to wreck my contracts. So I'll probably down like 40-50% on these, end up closing for an L. But there were only $40 total that I entered in, so it's totally fine. Since I didn't take any trades, I decided just to do that one. But I'll show you guys my orders too, so you guys know that I literally did not take any trades other than that one all day. You guys can see right here. Literally, that was the only trade I took, and we're gonna close out tomorrow. Now, for the futures market, let's show you guys that as well. Just took that loss while we're editing here, $19 or $18. And this is how we're doing on the futures account. This is the performance overall. We're still up $405 on this account, taking it slow. 2 wins and 2 losses this week so far, up 84 this week. Last week was 321, so we're doing pretty decent so far. We have 1 more day of this month before we actually close out this end of this month, so we can see what it's looking like. Hopefully we get some good trades tomorrow and the price action isn't whack today. The only reason why I didn't trade today is because the price action was so horrible. And this is the entry that I just tried to take right now on the futures. Break for some new lows, ended up entering on this general area right here on the white line, pumped down $50 gain, but then it ended up closing with a hard candle above. So now it's pumping up pretty nicely. So no more short ideas on this one, and I don't think I'm going to plan on trading this one tonight, but you guys already know if I do trade, I'll update you guys in the morning what happens, and we'll also see how that Riot one does too. But I hope you guys were able to catch some good trades today, and I hope to see you guys in the stock chat. If you guys want to join the free Discord, guys, we have over 50 members now. It's pumping up. Somebody just joined, but I think they were a bot, so I kicked them out. And if you guys want to join, go on the link in my bio, click the website, and join the free server, guys. We're dropping straight sauce every single time. I even updated Discord what plans I plan on taking, what call levels I plan on taking, and in the premium chat, guys, we're killing it, constantly talking every day in there, talking more exclusively about certain stuff, and I even go more in depth on why I'm even taking these call levels and put levels. Whereas the free chat, I'm just dropping the sauce, saying this is my levels, not giving really much of a breakdown if they trust it or not. But so far, early in the morning, we got a nice breakdown on that level, but market ended up doing some weird choppiness, and we didn't take no positions at all today. So I hope you guys were able to capitalize on the market. We're gonna end the vlog here, and I appreciate you guys that have been watching. One of our vlogs popped over 700 views. Let's see how tomorrow goes. Hopefully we can catch some good trades tomorrow, end of the month, last day of the month, and then Friday is a new start of the month of November 1st.